The default Reflection 2011 ribbon provides visible access to reflection controls and commands. But if you'd rather use a more slimmed-down interface that maximizes use of screen real estate, you might think about using the Reflection browser. With a look and feel that's similar to the latest web browsers, the Reflection browser gives you full access to the reflection commands, flexible interface options, and more ways to search, access commands, and connect to hosts than ever before. Let's take a tour of the Reflection browser. To switch to the browser interface, open the Reflection workspace, and then under User Interface mode, select Browser. You'll need to close Reflection and then reopen it to change to the browser. When the browser opens, it displays a gallery of recent session documents. In the browser, you have full access to the Reflection commands, and it's easy to do common tasks like opening, saving, and bookmarking sessions. You open a session by clicking on a session thumbnail. The Reflection button menu has a full set of commands. You can save a session from the menu or by right-clicking on the Sessions tab. After you save it, you can bookmark the session so you can return to it later. The Save session appears in the Recent Documents list. You can customize how sessions appear in the browser. Just like when you use a ribbon layout, you can set text and background colors for each tab. Then you can drag and drop the tabs to reorder them or remove them when you're through with them. In Screen History, you can set the thumbnail for the session that is displayed in the Recent Document list. And if you want to make the search box smaller, just drag the search bar to the right. The browser offers more search options than the Reflection ribbon. You can search for items in the current document or a number of other sources. You can also search for reflection commands. Search results are context sensitive to the type of session. To connect to a session through telnet or SSH, you can use the search box like a browser address box and type in the URL for a session. And finally, you can use it to go to a web URL. If you need to save space in your desktop, think about using the Reflection browser.